Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I'm by myself, but I am making gluten-free chicken nuggets, paleo chicken nuggets. My daughter Emily got diagnosed with a gluten allergy, sugar allergy, all kinds of stuff she got going on. So we are doing new recipes, and this is one that I'm doing and that I like. And I'm also doing a banana bread, which I did not get to film, but if you're interested, let me know down below and I will film it next time. So let me show you what I'm using. I am using, it is organic chicken breasts. That's what I'm using. I'm using coconut flour. It's organic. I got it from not Trader Joe's, Whole Foods. Blanched almond flour and pasteurized eggs beat up, and that's the flours together that I beat up with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, that kind of stuff. And I will be frying them in either my air fryer or my coconut oil on my stove. I have not decided yet. Either is good, but I will come back once they're all breaded. What I'm going to do is cut it in long ways, 3. So if the breast is sitting like this, I'll cut it 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2 until they're little chunks, and they come out like this. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so this is all the chicken tenders. We'll see what they look like when we fry them. So once, you know, in the coconut, and then this, I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it, is the banana bread. Gluten-free, sugar-free banana bread. And it's delicious with sugar-free chocolate chips. So I'm gonna get cleaned up here and get to the next part. Okay, I'm just showing you, I have organic, unrefined virgin coconut oil. And I have it in my cast iron and it's melting. I have little potatoes, those are for Emily, not for me, and broccoli roasting. So I'm gonna start frying the chicken and then I will come back to show you what I had to show you. Look how good they're looking, so brown. I didn't think the almond flour and coconut flour would be as good as it is. So I'm going to keep on cooking because I got a lot. And I'll show you what I'm all done. Okay, so that is 4 organic chicken breasts, all cut up and dipped in a egg wash. And then put in seasoned almond flour and coconut flour. So I made Emily a honey mustard dip because she can have that on her paleo. And I made me some hot sauce. And I don't know what Dave's going to eat. But we also got the Primal Kitchen salad dressing to try. So we're going to try that today as well. So let me know what you guys think. And if you want the recipe, I will write it down for you guys. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.